Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you review of my Tesla car. Last 2 years ago, exactly today, 28th of December, I'm purchasing my Tesla Model 3, and last 2 years continuously I'm using this one, and I'm very happy about this product purchasing. It's little expensive for me because of I'm purchasing this Tesla Model 3 base model here in Copenhagen, Denmark, around 500,000 Danish krona, and currently the product price is 300,000 Danish krona. So that perspective is a little expensive, but my experience very nice, very comfort, easy to drive, and last 2 years I just use charging expenses. Apart from that, I'm not using single penny krona this product. It's very nice. I travel using this product around one time 3,500 kilometer in Norway trip from Copenhagen to like Atlantic Ocean Road. I'm very happy. In 2 years I drive this car around 18,000 kilometers and not a single scratch. Apart from that, I will provide you one tour of this car, how exactly look like after 2 years, inside and outside as well. So first of all, I will show you the front trunk. So look at this here, there is a huge one, and even inside the car they are providing this kit, the charging cable, and that is a very nice quality of this cable. Apart from that, everything is okay. You should put it here cleaner. So this is a front trunk, and I just simply close this one, and here is my son. Oh, look at this here. Backside trunk is very big. You should see here. I'm purchasing this one separately on Amazon. The product price is around $100. It's little expensive. Even if you see here, so here is also big trunk available. You can put it here your garbage, and the trunk is empty and everything is clean, not damaged. After 2 years also my car almost look like new. Very easy to close this one. Little dirty, but if you clean your car, so car is very nice. Now I will show you inside. Here is the charging adapter. You can very easily put it here, two types, but I have just only this one, not this. If you use supercharging, so supercharging station also available there. This one you just simply tap and close it. The back side of the car, look at this here. In the back side of the car, the white interior of mine. So he is my son. Here the fan, two types of C charging port is available. You should charge using this one, and the huge screen. Here is the back side, front size, the 80% charging available. Apart from that, I'm very happy. Even Ganesh with me, I'm very happy after purchasing the Tesla Model. So guys, if you really like this review video, you have any comment or important points you suggest me, you can put it on comment section. Definitely I will provide you answer. Otherwise I will follow your instruction. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.